Hi guys, hope that you're doing well. Welcome back to a new video. Today I will continue with part 2 for a lighting design for a gallery application. If you did not see the first part, you will find a link to the first part of this video in the description of the current one. And in the first part, just to give you a couple of things what happened there. I was showing you how to use a certain texture material. For example, on the floor I use a certain type of texture, then on the wall, and as you can see I use a specific texture for the paintings which we have it on the wall. And if you did not see that video, I would just want to highlight shortly where you can find and then the texture. So you need to go on the material, and here you need to save pictures which you have done or you downloaded from internet, and then you need to create texture material by clicking this. Then you can save it on the desktop or on specific folder on PC, and then you apply the specific texture to your lighting design. But let's focus today's video on the lighting design. So I will continue today, and I want to work together with you in selecting the best luminaires, and of course run the first lighting calculation for this application. So as you can see here, we have already some luminaires. If we check, it's very wide beam. I would just run a short calculation. So this space was or the solution was used for a shop. So I just let the lighting system for the time being from that application. But as you can see here, we have a lot of light which is not going or is not good enough for our paint to highlight the painting. So it's quite uniform on the wall, but I believe, or what I want to create is to all the light from the spots which we have mounted on the track to really focus on the painting and really highlight the paintings. And the meaning is to create a focus on the painting and try to have at least light on the walls as possible. So the first thing is that I will go on 2D, and I will change all these luminaires. First, I will go for a narrow beam, as you can see there. So this will be the luminaire. So I will just replace selected luminaires, all of this type, with the following one, and then just apply. So I will just go like this. I will just run a new calculation just to show you the preview. Of course, it will not be enough. Just to change the luminaire is also the position and the angle that you need to do, or you need to orientate. So therefore I will just go after, you need to use rotate, for example, and my suggestion is to just to go from the side. Now this one, exactly this one. The results, yeah, we need to be recalculated, and from here I'll say opposite, and then a little bit up in this case, and I will do the same with the next luminaire, more up let's say. And let's do just for this one, I just want to see on the first painting. Of course, also from here we can move close, or you can just use one luminaire. But I just want to show you or highlight a quick one. So you see it as it was before. Now we have more light, and also if I change to false colors, you see the main point or the highlight, we have it on the painting. Maybe it's a little bit too much. If I check here, it's around 1500. So it's maybe one luminaire will be enough. I don't need to have two there, and then will be much easier as well. So let's delete this one. I'll do the same here. This one I will just rotate. Here I'll do it even more. This one need to be deleted. I will try to just use one luminaire. I think here, I don't know why I have so many for each painting. Actually, this one is better to delete, and I will just use the following one. Maybe even move. I would say when we have this position, the easiest, put on 2D. And yeah, we can just once again place it in the middle of the painting. That will be the easiest way. And then just click, rotate. Yeah, I will say this will do. So let's do it once again. We just focus on this side. Of course, also we can place also vertical surfaces just to highlight so I like it. So from the first preview to this one, we see that we improve. So we have the focus, it's really on the painting. Of course, maybe small adjustments can be done. You see this one is much better when we place it in the middle compared with this one, which is a little bit on the side. And as well, this one we can bring it. But if I place also the false colors, you can see it. Yeah, the main point, as I said, is the paintings. So we can create the effect that we want to create a focus, lighting focus on the paintings, and that's the most important. And here I tried to add a sphere on the pedestrian, and because I just light just from one side, this part, you can see the effect. So here, of course, we have bright. If I will eliminate also from here, we will not have any more the shadow on this side, but it's just good to see what does it mean just to eliminate from one side when you have such an object which you want to highlight into gallery, museum, can be used as well. And I just now want to the false colors just to show it, so the effect. So you see brightness compared with big, let's say, darkness or shadow. At this moment we don't have anything on this wall. I will work in the next video. I want to add more paintings. Today was which solution or the simple solution that we want to use to highlight the paintings on this wall. So as I said, I will go for a narrow light distribution. Actually, this one is wide beam, but for me, I would say it's good enough, narrow enough, I would say, to create the effect that I want for contrast between, let's say, the wall and the painting, and have an eye catch, so to say, of the people which are visiting an art gallery, because then can be easily seen or being spotted the paintings on that room. And here, when we want to have this kind of object illuminated on the, or a monument, for example, you use on one side, and now I just want to place a new luminaire. Actually, I'll just copy and orientate. I think that's will be much easier. So I place it here. And then we will just rotate it. No, the wrong one. Oops, no, this one. Okay. Okay, on the top, we need to come on the other side actually. Something like that, and then let's see. Okay. This will not help. To put it down. And yeah, that should go. That should be enough. So here we are using the same distribution. The both luminance will have the same. And I will just run once again a new calculation. We will just focus on the object. It's a sphere actually, which I just place it on the potentium, and I just want to highlight. So now it looks much better. So we have a symmetry from both sides. We can have also a look on the, and if you want to eliminate the total, let's say, shadows on here, then we can come with a projector on this side and we'll eliminate here this area, and on the back on this side, and then we have a perfect, so say 360 degrees from each angle you'll check, you'll have the same illuminance value. So that's all for today. Give a like to this video if you find this solution interested. Subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I wish you all the best. Take care of you.